Check out this pre-owned 2004 Dodge Neon SRT-4. This 4-door sedan has a 4-cylinder, 2-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Dodge has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, power sunroof, CD player, anti-lock brakes, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.